Hi, I'm April Golele. Today we're going to be talking about how to wear headbands. They're like one of my favorite accessories, and I absolutely love topping my outfit off with an awesome headband like this one. So I actually started making my own headbands because I feel like a lot of headbands hurt my head, so I wanted to make something that's super comfortable. So I have to show you how comfortable these amazing headbands are. You can stretch them out so much so that if you feel like any pressure like here, you just stretch them out and then they're a little bit looser and they won't hurt your head. And then if you need to tighten them up a little bit because you like loosen them up too much, you just pull them in and there you go. Perfect. So let's get started with the first way to wear a headband. So there you go. Basically, it's your normal hair with your normal part, and you just place the headband on. It's not pulling back your hair in any way. It's just going on top. And that way you have like a little bit of hair in the front and a little bit of hair most of your hair in the back. It's just like an accessory that way. I really love this way. This is probably the top like 5 ways where I wear my headband because it's just easy to throw it on as an accessory. I also really like it wearing headbands in general because it kind of draws the eye upward. So when you're curvy and petite, there's all these curves and you kind of want to bring attention to your face. And that's what I do with my headbands. So let me show you the second way to wear a headband. So the next way is to tuck your hair behind your ears and put it on top. There we go. So this is a great way to wear a headband because you can really showcase a fun pair of earrings. So like these little flower earrings I found on Amazon, and I really love matching the headband to the earrings. Even if I'm not wearing like purple like I am right now, I like to match this together because it looks really cute and it looks like a statement. So I could be wearing a pair of jeans and like a white t-shirt and it would be fine, and I'm just adding a splash of color with a pair of earrings and a headband. It's super fun. Let's put on another headband. My next favorite way to wear a headband is to tuck your hair behind your ears and then put your hair in like a low ponytail. And I like usually leave out a little bit of hair so that I can wrap it around the tail of the pony or the hair tie in the pony. So what it's doing is like kind of pulling your eye upward to look at your face. So it's kind of framing your face. The headband frames the face along with a pair of like nice statement earrings. I really love earrings from Kendra Scott. I've linked some of my favorites below. These ones are super big, but they're very lightweight. All of my like statement earrings are going to be lightweight just because I don't really like pulling my ears down. My ears kind of get exhausted when I wear super, super heavy earrings. So if you ever see a statement pair of earrings on me, you're going to know that they're going to be lightweight. You can also do like a low ponytail, so leave your low ponytail in and then do a no tuck where you kind of pull out some hair so that the hair frames your face a little bit. This way you could actually probably wear a pair of like stud earrings where your statement earrings don't need to be the focus, but more your hair framing your face and the headband are the focus. Super easy. And sometimes when my hair is kind of messy, I'll just brush out my hair and then just curl or straighten this front area. So that's all I'm really paying attention to when I do this hairstyle is like these 2 pieces. I'll curl them, and I think I curled them like yesterday. This one needs to be curled again. But yeah, I'll curl these 2 pieces and brush my hair back and put the headband back on. Stretch it out a little bit, make it super comfortable. There we go. No pressure, yay. I love that these headbands are no pressure. Everything that I'm talking about today is going to be linked down in the description. I've been making these headbands for a couple years now, and I think I've really perfected the look and feel of them. I've really done a ton of research and found like the perfect stretchy headband. It's so comfortable, yay! You can also part your hair differently and make it look completely different. Whatever part you're into will work with wearing a headband. You can do a side part, a middle part, it all looks super cute. You can also brush your hair back into like a ponytail, or just brush your hair back. Let me show you. So, just brush it back. And there you go. Looks super cute and super stylish. You don't always have to have a part in the front. Then you can also brush this back into a high pony or a half up, half down type of thing. Let's see. Half up, half down. Then you can throw on a cute pair of earrings. I love when it gets pushed back and then your earrings are super showcased, and I absolutely love that look. You can match it or throw on different colors too. This is another neoprene headband that I'm absolutely in love with. It's super comfortable and super stretchy again. They're all super stretchy, but these are extra comfortable because the material is kind of fluffy. So I absolutely love it. They come in a ton of different colors. As I add on colors, they'll also be in stock too. So right now I have navy, black, coral, mint, like a little bit lighter mint color than these, and also the lavender color like I started from the beginning. You could also do a full pony. I really like this for when it's like next day hair. This works really well. You can also tuck your little hair into the ponytail holder and make it into a bun. If you guys like these types of videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching.